Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. We already know Wix Studio handles the main devices, but sometimes a design needs a little extra attention for a specific width. That is where adding and removing custom breakpoints comes in. At the top of your editor, you'll see the standard desktop, tablet, and mobile icons. To see the full list of what's happening, click the three dot button over here to open the breakpoint panel. If you have a specific vision for a specific device or specific dimensions, you can add a breakpoint for that. Just simply click Add Breakpoint here, and then you can type in the exact pixel width you want to target. Say, for example, for a 4K monitor, that'll be 3840 pixels. And then once you're done, click Done. And a new breakpoint will be added. Now, any changes you make while this breakpoint is selected will only affect that specific range and smaller. And if you want to delete a breakpoint, simply hover over the breakpoint that you want to delete and then hit the delete button next to it. Simply repeat the process for every breakpoint that you want to delete. Remember, the goal is to have as few breakpoints as possible while still looking great. Use them for those awkward sizes where your layout needs a little extra nudge to stay perfect. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.